subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarak kasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghairuk subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghairuk.
Subhanaka, glory be to you. You are free from all defects, far above comprehension. Allahumma, O Allah, wa bi, and with hamdika, your praise, wa bi hamdika, and with your praise, wa, and tabarak, to be blessed, to be exalted, to be hallowed, ismuka, your name, wa tabarakasmuka, and blessed is your name, wa ta'ala, and most exalted and most high, jadduka, your majesty, your grandeur, your greatness, wa ta'ala jadduka, and exalted and most high is your majesty, your greatness, your grandeur. Wala, and there is not, ilaha, God, deity, worthy of worship, ghayruk, other than you, wala ilaha ghayruk, and there is no God, no deity, nothing worthy of worship other than you.
subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa tabarakasmuka wa ta'ala jadduka wa la ilaha ghairuk